last minute tips for references. So as you can see, there are two. This is MTG, NCERT at your fingertips. Uh, the reason I have recommended this book, because this book has a lot of questions and lot of easy questions directly from NCERT. This is the pattern what is being asked in NEET right now through the last 3 to 4 years. So if you can go through NCERT fingertips at your biology, it's very helpful. Physics also, if you are unclear about a particular chapter or a particular concept, you can solve the questions. It clears your concepts throughout. And for chemistry also, it is very helpful. You can also go for Narendra Avasthi in physical chemistry, and the same publication for inorganic and organic chemistry. I would recommend it, but I had bought these books, but MS Chauhan in organic chemistry and VK Jaiswal in inorganic chemistry, yes, but I couldn't solve it. I didn't have the time, so I'll say this. But again, for see, these books are for references for a particular concept, for a particular topic. Since my chemistry was weak, so a particular chapter was weak in organic, so I solved it through MS Chauhan, and then I was very clear about that particular. So reference book has to be used as a reference book. You don't have to solve the complete reference book. And again, this is the 33 years NEET previous year questions. This is the most important book I'll recommend. If you're able to solve all three of them, or even if you go through the solutions, most probably if you have studied, you'll crack NEET. And if you have not studied, you will score such a good, decent marks for a private college.